Hello, welcome to the video that is finally going to teach you how to cornrow. Section of the beginning of that braid, just like this. It can be straight across or towards the angle so that if you want it pointed. So in braiding, you're going to need your thumb and index finger and your middle finger. The thumb and index finger are going to be grabbing and holding. The middle finger will be pressing against the scalp to apply pressure to the one you've done and for support. Anyways, share this section into 3. Try to make them relatively equal, but don't waste your time too much there. So remember, our grabbing hand fingers are our thumb and index finger, so use that to hold on to the right section. So we have 2 sections, right, left, and the middle one. The right grabbing fingers hold on to the right section, the left grabbing finger hold on to the middle section, and the left section will just be inside your palm. Now we are going to be reaching behind the middle finger to grab the left hand side like this, and then grab the right hand side. Reach behind the middle, grab the left hand side, reach behind the middle, grab the right hand side. The middle part will always lay over your index finger, just like this, so it's always in front like this. So go behind it, grab the left, go behind the middle, grab the right, behind the middle, grab the left, behind the middle, grab the right. You can see we're already forming a plate there, but the difference between what I just did now and this cornrow is that the cornrow is lying down flat on the scalp. To get this one to lie down on the scalp, we are going to be adding small hairs at interval and feeding in this whole head into our 3 strands, 3 sections, and then we can have a cornrow. Are you following so far? Let's continue. So with our 3 sections, grab them as I told you. You can just watch my fingers closely. Right hand grabbed, left hand grabs the middle piece, while the third or the left hand piece is inside my palm like this. Hold it inside, grab and grab, go behind the middle, grab the left hand side. Okay, you can see my index finger is reaching, it is probing, it sneaks behind the middle finger to like hook onto the hair. It pulls it in and the thumb helps it to grab the hair. So because the index finger is longer, it leads the way. Behind the middle section, it goes to grab the right hand section, behind the middle, grab the left, behind the middle, grab the right, behind the middle, grab the... Remember, we want this braid to lie flat on the ground, so we start adding in little hair. When you add hair to the left hand side or the right hand side, that side becomes the middle. So listen, we have left, right, and middle. I would sneak with my right hand behind the middle towards the left. Once I grab the left, you feed in some hair into the left, then it switches place with the middle piece and becomes the new middle piece. Then you sneak behind that middle piece to go grab the one from the other side. So I've added some hair to my own right hand side, pulled it into the middle piece moves over to the right hand side. I sneak underneath to go grab the left hand, add some hair into the left hand. It is now the middle piece. The middle piece moves over to the left, sneak underneath our new middle, grab the right, add some hair. It moves to the middle moves over to the right, sneak to the left, add some hair. The middle the left one then becomes the new middle. Okay, but watch what my pointy finger is doing. Watch the position of my pointy finger. It is there for support. You can see it pressing against the few plates, woven stuff we just made. It is preventing it from losing and supporting that middle piece. You can see I am not holding the middle piece, but it is not coming loose because my middle finger is pressing down. It is strangling those braids to the scalp, keeping everybody in line, keeping everything in check. Watch the middle finger. Watch what my middle finger will do. Goes, it presses down the middle piece, press it down to the scalp. Watch the middle finger. Can you see the kind of foundation it is providing down there? If that finger is loose, your braid is going to be loose. Okay, so grab, watch the middle finger, look at it, so solid down on the scalp. Add some hair, pull that to the middle becomes the left hand one. Watch my middle finger again, going down to the base. As I go underneath the middle to grab, again, anybody that gets grabbed is going to get fed. So grab the left hand side, feed in some hair, pull it into the middle, and the middle goes to the left hand side. Grab the right hand side, add some hair. That right hand side becomes the new middle, and the current middle moves over to the right. So at this point, after a while, you will graduate from adding hair by pinching the hair extension the hair with your extra hand, with your other hand. At some point, you will start grabbing the hair with the help of your thumb. Can you see my thumb sneaking from behind there? Yes. So when I go to grab a section, my index finger is leading the way, but my thumb is going to help it fetch some of the hair and add it to the section I am supposed to grab. So after a while, you will not need to use your finger to feed in the hair as you braid back or braid down the cornrow. Your thumb is going to help your index finger to grab. Watch it. Can you see? Oh, okay, wait. Your thumb will help your index finger just grab a little portion of hair and add it to the section you went to grab originally. Watch. Underneath the middle, grab the left hand side. Underneath the middle, grab the right hand side. Ignore that thing I just did. Underneath the middle, grab the left. Let's show you from another angle so that you can see. Underneath the middle, grab the right. Watch what my thumb is doing. It is right behind the index finger, helping it. The index finger leads the way. See, it's wriggling its way through behind the middle piece to grab the left hand side, behind the middle piece to grab the right hand side. So at this point, I don't need to use my hand to add onto hair again. Yeah, I was saying, don't place your whole palm on the head. Ensure that there is like small space between your hand and the scalp, the person's head. If you place your hand on the head, don't rest your hand on the head. It is going to be ruining your section and just messing everything up. So it looks like your fingers are tiptoeing on the hair. Just tiptoe on the hair. Grab the left hand, grab the right hand side. Under the middle, watch the same thing continues. Under the middle, grab the left hand side. Under the middle, grab the right. Under the middle section, you grab the left. Let's see from this angle. Grab the left. Under the middle, grab the right. Under the middle, you see the index finger is reaching and the thumb helps it to hold onto the hair. Guys, are you still confused? So at this point, I have a couple of videos teaching how to braid, but this is what we're doing. Reach with your index, grab with your thumb, reach with your index, pull it in, the thumb helps to hold, pull with the index, the thumb holds, the middle finger is just down on the scalp supporting. If you need more help, check more videos in this playlist.